Now students, I am going to teach you about the jump statement. After the iteration statement, you going to learn about the jump statement. And what is the jump statement? You can understood with that definition. Actually, jump statement are unconditionally transfer our program from one statement to another, means unconditionally. So we have the jump statement that is used to unconditionally transfer our program to one statement to another. In iteration statement, our program is going to execute continuously up to the condition is true. But if you want to skip your program unconditionally from the iteration statement, so how you can do? So with help of the jump statement, you can easily skip some statement from your program. So first you understand the definitions of jump statement. So the jump statements are used to transfer the program's control from one location to another. So you can easily transfer your program one location to another with help of the jump statement, and means these are used to alter the flow, means you can change the flow of your program. So means these are used to alter the flow of a loop, like to skip a part of a loop or terminates a loop. So within the loop, you can also skip any part of the statement, any part of loop, or also you can terminate your loop. It only you can do with help of the jump statement. In Python, there are three types of jump statement used. These are the break, continue, and pass. These three statements are used as a jump statement. So these all are unconditionally transfer your program from one to another. So I think you all understood the jump statement. So it is very important when if you want to skip any part of loop or any part of statement you want to terminate. So it is very useful. So first we going to understand the break statement, then continue and pass. So let's see the break statement. You see here, this is the break. So how you can use the break and how it is work on your program. So it is used to terminate the loop. So in your program requirement, you want to terminate your loop. So how you can use? So the name is break. So break is what? Terminate the loop. Clear? It break your program. So here you have the break statement. So syntax is very simple. You only use that keyword. This is the keyword actually. Clear? So with help of this keyword, where you will place, anywhere you can place, and it will break your program from that loop. So let's see the example. In this example, you see we want to execute str, means this is the actually string, but we want to terminate that string from the ing. Clear? Only str we want to execute. So how you can execute it? Clear? So first I have a for loop. Look at here, this is the for loop. Into the for value I have assigned the string. means this string has been assigned into the val variable, means val variable have string. Clear? This string is into the val. Now I place a condition. What if val is equivalent to I, means the val value get I, so then my program should be break. Clear? Not another string, not an other character should be executed. Clear? If the val value is not the I, so it can execute the value. Clear? So now my program is executing. How it is work? Let's see once again. So simple, for val have the string and there is a condition val equivalent I, because the val first will be take the s and s is not equivalent I, so our program will be never break, it will execute the s. Clear? Now the loop once again go that condition and the val have next character is t, t is not equivalent of I, so it will never break and t will be executed. Once again my program loop will be go here and then the val have r, r is not equivalent I, so it will never break, so r will be executed. Once again next the val have I. Clear? So I is equivalent I, yes, that's become true and my program will be break. So print statement will be never execute and the program loop will be jump to another statement. This will break from that statement. So my program will be directly go to that statement and the last statement will be execute the end. So that's why you getting that output. So this is the way of using the break, means any condition you can put and unconditionally you can transfer your program to another statement or you can terminate your loop also. Clear? So that's terminating our loop, not our all the string are executing one by one, only 3 character has been executed, but I from the I our program has been terminated. So this is the use of break. So with help of the break we can create such type of program. So whenever you want to terminate your loop with any condition, so you can break it. So I think you all understood the break statement, how to implement in your program. You try to create that program in your computer system and also change the condition and take the different output.